Carter's scaring him. Throw it down, Trin. He's scared. Don't let him bite you. Stop.
Carter, you gonna look, buddy?
This one's nice.
Oh, God.
Look, look.
Here.
Pull the top off of that. Oh, God!
What?
A leaf blew in and hit me in the face.
Did you squeal like a little girl?
I was scared.
Apparently.
I'll give him a lot.
No, you don't need to give him a lot. All right.
Want some more?
Okay, that's good. Say bye to our dear friend.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Moving on.
We got 2 deer friends.
Yeah.
2 of them.